Hello, my creator friend, and now I'm going to show you another cool feature of TrueDepth add-on, which was updated recently to version 3, which is absolutely fantastic, by the way, and I highly recommend you guys checking it out. So this feature is this Make Seamless feature. So let me briefly show you what it does. So what you basically see here, it's not a one piece actually that was converted into a mesh, into 3D geometry or 3D relief. It's actually a series of meshes that was done with this add-on. You can check this. You see, these are actually 6 different meshes. The problem is that if you will generate it right off the box and try to place it side by side, it will not work. So you will see the seam, which comes from various reasons. We will not go too deep into that, but it will be with the seams. And let me quickly show you what you can do, or how this feature actually is working, this Make Seamless feature, which will help you create your pieces to be seamless, so that you can position them side by side and create like really big walls of these kind of tiled textures, or actually tiled meshes, right? So let me start a new file here, like this. Side panel, TrueDepth, I'm in GPU mode, I'm in large mode, which gives the most precise results, and here I'm clicking on open. I have this neat folder with various images here, and this is my tilable or seamless texture. I mean, I know that it's tilable, so if I will check it here, let me actually show it to you really quick. So this is the texture, and if I will position it like this, you see that it's absolutely tilable. You see, both in vertical and horizontal direction. So I'm sure that it's tilable. So now I will oh, by mistake I loaded it here into the depth slot. Don't do that. You have to open the original image here in this portion of in this tab. Select image for depth generation. So here, and go here, and then I will quickly generate a depth map, and here you go. And I can just quickly create a mesh, and boom, you have it. Cool. Now I will quickly address this slopiness, because in my case I want to keep it straight, so it's tilable even in vertical direction. So that's why you have this beautiful feature here, tilt correction, like this. So I will up it to 1. So I will update the I will update the depth map. So now it's much more straight. And then I will up the resolution of it. Nice. And then I will decrease the extrusion of it a little bit, like this. Fantastic. And now check this out. If I will just right out of the box, if I will try to place it side by side like this, I don't mind the speed of interaction while I was dragging it, like when I was dragging the copy, because now it has really a lot modifiers, right? So in order to optimize it, you can always just convert it to mesh. So let me enable the vert. I will snap it roughly here. Nice. So you see we have a seam here. It's very visible, and it's not nice at all. So that's exactly where this feature is shining. So select the original mesh, and then let's go to this portion of UI, and let's click Make Seamless. And it will think for a while, and boom, now we have perfect seamless meshes. How cool is that, right? And now you're free to convert it to mesh, like this. And you can even, let's place it here, like that. So roughly, so that you get the point. Alright, so as you can see, thanks to this neat little feature, you will be able to extend your meshes, making them seamless and easily tilable between each other. And I was really happy developer added this feature, as making depth maps seamless is a very handy feature on its own. So if for any reason you haven't heard of TrueDepth add-on and its absolutely fantastic powerfuls, do check my earlier video where I review its latest V3 update, and you will be good to go creating stunning things in a couple of clicks. See you there.